Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. Today we are going to start SST class Social Studies. Please take out the Social Studies book, chapter 6, page number 41. In chapter 6 you can see food we eat. What we eat? Food. खाना हम लोग जो खाते हैं उसके बारे में आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. We are going to learn about food we eat. In page number 41 you can see there, India is a vast country with varied physical features. India, we live in India. India is a vast country. So many people lives in India. There are different features like some places are hot while some are cool. कहाँ कहीं पर hot होता है तो कहीं पर cool. Some places are hot or some places are cool. Some places receive less rainfall while other receives heavy rainfall. In other place, some places receive heavy rainfall, बहुत बारिश होता है, और some places receive heavy rainfall or less rainfall. Due to this difference in climate and landform, different types of crops are grown at different place. Due to this landform, different types of crops are grown in different places, right? In Karnataka, Kerala, there are so many different types of place and they are grown in different types of place by the farmers. Crops कौन उगाता है? Farmers. Those people living in different parts of India have different food habits. Those people lives in India have different parts of food habit, right? Kerala, they used to eat chapatis or etc. For example, food in different parts of India, spices of India. These are the features that, these are the spices of India. You can see this, spices. Now, food eaten by people is different in different parts of India. We eat different parts of food in India. In other place, in Darjeeling, for example, momo we used to eat. In Bihar, we used to eat rice, rotis. Okay, different food items represent the lifestyle and culture of the people. Food represent the lifestyle of the culture, lifestyle of the people. Food represent and culture of the people. For example, in मुस्लिम लोग क्या करते हैं? ईद में क्या बनाते हैं? उन लोग का स्पेशल डिश. they used to make special dish. In Christmas time, Christian used to make different dish. In Dasera, Diwali, Hindu makes their different dishes. Okay, so because of these food items, our lifestyle and culture, it represent our lifestyle and culture. Food represent our lifestyle. Okay. People in North India, now in North India what people eat? North India में जो रहते हैं वो लोग क्या खाते? We are going to learn. People in North India eat more rotis and parathas that are made from wheat than South India, where people prefer to eat more rice. Now in North India, people used to eat rotis and parathas. Roti तो आप लोगों को पता ही है. What is rotis and parathas? Rotis and paratha is made up of wheat. वो किससे बनते हैं? Wheat से. So in South India, you can see in South India people prefer to eat more rice. There are different. I told you they used to eat different parts of food. We live in different parts of area and people used to eat different types of food. In North India, people used to eat rotis and parathas. And in South India, North India people used to eat rotis and parathas. In South India, people used to eat rice. Okay. Now, in coastal states such as Goa, Kerala and West Bengal, people eat a lot of fish. Now in Goa, Kerala, people used to eat lot of fish. West Bengal, they used to eat lot of fish. People who lives in the mountain and on plains eat more of chickens and mutton than fish. Now those who lives in mountain areas, जहाँ जो mountain area में रहते हैं वो लोग क्या खाते हैं? Mountains and plains area, they used to eat more chicken and mutton. they don't prefer fish. They used to prefer first mutton and chicken. But in Goa and Kerala, West Bengal, they used to eat fish. They prefer fish. And in mountains and plains area, chicken, mutton they used to eat. Okay. India food is one of the most realized cousins in the world. So India is the most one of the realized cousins in the world. India use a variety of cooking oils such as ghee, butter oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil and mustard oil. People used to, when your mother cooks food, you used to see this. आपका मम्मी जब आपका घर पे खाना बना रहे तो they used in vegetable, they use this oil like ghee, butter oil, groundnut oil, sunflower and mustard oil. They prefer this oil for food. Okay. Now, India food is one of the most realized cuisines in the world. Realized का मतलब जो एहसास होता है, इंडिया का फूड से एक एहसास मिलता है. So, खाना का, भोजन का हम लोगों को क्या मिलता है? एहसास होता है. Realize means एहसास होना and cousins means भोजन. Okay. Now, India use a variety of oil like ghee, butter oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil and mustard oil to prepare food. Spices such as cloves, ginger, like this they use pepper, turmeric, turmeric, herbs etc. are used to make Indian dishes tasty. So in India people used to make spices dishes. जब आपका घर में मम्मी खाना बना रही थी, सब्जी बना रही, so she takes many masalas like spices like turmeric, herbs, pepper and ginger. They used to take more spices dishes. Okay, are used to make Indian dishes tasty. So these are the spices that makes Indian dishes tasty. इस स्पाइसेस से क्या बनता है? इंडिया का डिश, इंडिया का खाना क्या होता है? बहुत टेस्टी बनता है. बिकॉज ऑफ द स्पाइसेस, सो इंडिया डिश इज वेरी टेस्टी. स्पाइसेस का मतलब क्या है? मसाला जो आपका मम्मी घर पे यूज करते हैं. ओके. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट पेज यू कैन सी एडिशंस ऑफ ऑनियन गार्लिक. एडिशंस ऑफ ऑनियन गार्लिक, चिलीज, coriander, saffron and curry leaves increase flavor and taste of our food. Now onion, especially onion is main vegetables that we use. Onion, garlic, chilies. Okay, these are the leaves that we use for our vegetables and it makes our food very tasty, right? Now in village area how people cooks? In village many people use cow dung cakes as fuel. For example, we use cook in gas. So gas में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Cylinder. We use cylinder for our cooking, right? But in village area people use cow dung cakes, मतलब गाय का गोबर, right? So for a fuel. In towns and cities, people use gas stoves, microwaves, etc. for cooking. In town area, for example, we live in town area, so we use microwave, gas cylinder. Okay. So in village area, people used to cook in cow dung cakes as a fuel to cook food on a chula, as a chula. So inside this chula, they use cow dung cake. Okay. A woman cooking food on a chula, food being cooked on a gas. You can see the pictures also. Now, food in North India. Mughal kings ruled over North India in the past. They were fond of delicious food. Hence, Mughal dishes become popular in North India. Mughal dishes is very popular in North India. Okay, because of the Mughal king ruled over North India, the delicious food of North India is Mughlai dishes become a popular in North India. People in Kashmir eat different dishes along with rice. Now in Kashmir they used to eat rice. Saag, green gravy, is prepared with the green leafy vegetables now known as hakka. So in Kashmir, rice, saag, green gravy is prepared with the green leafy. So these are the vegetables, these are the food that Kashmir or North Indians used to eat this. Okay. Now saag, green gravy is prepared with the green leafy vegetables is known as, उसको क्या भी बोलते हैं, hakka. So in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, wheat is the staple food of India. So in Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, they used to eat staple food. Wheat is the staple food. In Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab का food क्या है? Staple food क्या है? Wheat. They make breads called chapatis or rotis, rumlai rotis, tandoori roti and naan for flour of wheat, corn or maida. So these are the rotis that they used to make corn or maida. So chapatis, rotis, tandoori roti, naan are made up of wheat, corn और मैदा. मैदा से भी बनता है, wheat से भी बनता है and corn से भी बनता है. क्या क्या बनता है? तंदूरी रोटीज, chapatis and naan, like this, corn, maida, and they use wheat also. Okay. Now food in West Bengal. What people prefer food in West Bengal? West Bengal में ज़्यादातर लोग क्या खाते हैं? Like fish. Okay. Now we are going to learn what food that prefer West Bengal. In Rajasthan and Gujarat, fresh vegetables are not available. Rajasthan and in Gujarat, fresh vegetables are not available. जैसे यहाँ पर मिलता है. In Bihar, you used to take fresh vegetables, but in Rajasthan, Gujarat, they don't take fresh vegetables. So a lot of achars, pickles are used. In Gujarat and Rajasthan, they use lot of pickles, achar. So हम लोग भी use करते हैं. I use dal, bati and churma are traditional dishes. So these two dishes are the traditional dishes that Rajasthan and Gujarat use for. What are they? Dal, bati and churma. Many dishes are eaten in small quantities in a plate called thali meal and Gujarat. So in Maharashtra, people eat both rice and wheat. Now in Maharashtra, they used to eat rice and wheat both. They prepare both food. In Mumbai, a wide variety of fish is used to make various dishes. So in Mumbai, they used to eat fish in a variety of dishes, in a various of dishes. In Goa, mostly seafood is eaten. Goa में seafood ज़्यादातर use होता है. Okay? It has a sweet and sour taste. उसका टेस्ट कैसा होता है? Sweet and sour taste. In Goa, they used to eat seafood. Okay, now food in East India. What people eat in East India? When you will go in East India or when you will go for a vacation in Goa, you will see the seafood. आप लोग को वहाँ पर seafood दिखाई देगा. Okay, so they used to eat seafood. Food in East India. The people of West Bengal, Assam and Odisha eat fish and rice. So people, those who lives in West Bengal, Odisha and Assam, they used to eat fish and rice. Bengali people prepare hilsa fish by wrapping it in a pumpkin leaf and cooking it. They use bamboo shoots and mustard oil for cooking. Milk-based sweets such as rasgullas, sandesh, churma, etc. are the flavors. So they used to cook on a bamboo shoots. बैम्बू सूट्स में भी वो लोग खाना बनाते हैं। ओके, सो दिस आर द स्वीट्स दैट दे यूज टू ईट एंड दे मेक फिश in a wrapping pumpkin leaf. So these are the food, traditional food of West Bengal, Assam, Odisha. Okay, food that East India people prefer for. Now food in South India. In South India people use spices and coconut. In Tamil Nadu is used, turmeric is used. The food of Andhra Pradesh like Hyderabadi biryani. So South India people use spices and coconut. Spices means masala wala ज़्यादा खाना and coconuts. And in Tamil Nadu and in Andhra Pradesh they use Hyderabadi biryani, has a chilies and nuts. In Kerala, delicious dishes like lamb stew and gravy based dishes and upma are eaten. A dessert called puttu is made from rice and bamboo shoots. Now this dessert is made from bamboo shoots and rice. उसमें क्या मिक्सचर डाला है? Rice. And किस में बनाया है? Bamboo shoots में. Okay, puttu is made up of rice in a bamboo shoots. Okay. Now idli, dosa, vada pav along with sambar and coconut chutney are popular in South Indian dishes. Now idli, dosa, sambar are the popular dishes of South India. Okay. Now in next page, food of special occasions. Now in special occasions like Diwali, Dasera, what they prepare. In India, a variety of special food is prepared on festivals. So in India, like Sakrati, Eid, Christmas, they use variety of food, right? On in Sankranti, dishes are made out of new rice. So in Sankranti, they use new rice, new pulses, oil, seeds, etc. Pongal is also celebrated around the same time. Now Sankranti and Pongal festival is celebrated on same time. Okay. Special dishes is prepared during Pongal by boiling rice with fresh milk and jagir in new clay pots. Now in Pongal is also a festival, so they used to celebrate Pongal and Sankranti in the same month, and in Pongal they used to make boiling rice and Lori Prasad ka 5 main items. In Lori there are 5 main items. What are they? Til, Jagga, Guru. So popcorn they used to eat. There are so many dishes that they used to make in Lori time. These are the Jagga, Pongal rice, Gujia. So these are they made Gujia, Jagga and in Lori time. Now til, wheat, flour, laddu, peel, chawal, etc. mark the celebrations of Baisakhi. In Baisakhi, what they make? Til, Jagga, wheat, flour, laddu. They used to make varieties of dishes. Okay. Now in Ram Navami, what they make? In Ram Navami is the is celebrated with the cold drinks and of cucumber and socket pulses. So in Ram Navami they used to drink cold drinks like and cucumber pulses. Now milk, pudding, butter and curd preparation mark the festival of Janmashtami. In Janmashtami, what people use? Milk, pudding, butter and curd preparation for the Janmashtami. Okay. Modaks. Now modak is the favorite dish of Ganeshji. So modak filled with coconut or dry fruit fillings are prepared during Ganesh Chaturthi. Why? Because Ganeshji used to eat modaks. In Goa, Christmas is celebrated by cooking a special dish called Baibinik and along with plum cake. In Goa, in Christmas time, they used to make plum cake. There are Christmas cake. You can see this. Now, Rava and Besna laddu, besan, Rava and besan laddu, kesari bhat, kheers and gujia are popular sweets in Maharashtra. These are the popular sweets of laddu, kesari, kheers, gujia are the popular sweets of Maharashtra. Okay. Now, special sweets. Sewai is prepared on Eid. In Eid, Muslim used to eat sewai. They used to make special dish like sewai. Okay. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Now this is the festival. Bihu is also a festival of Assam. In Assam, they used to celebrate Bihus. For example, we celebrate Dasera, Diwali like this. In Assam, they used to celebrate Bihu by making freshwater fish which is steamed in bananas leaves or curried has a sarded tenga. So, fresh fish they used to make. They used to make fresh fish. They used to eat fresh fish in Bihu festivals. Okay. Now, Holi. Holi is celebrated with thandai, gujia and different chaats and sweets. So, in Holi, we celebrate Holi and we used to make thandai, gujia, different types of foods. Okay. On Durga Puja in Kolkata, people release a variety of eggs and meat dishes with rice. Now, in Kolkata, Durga Puja is famous in Kolkata. So, variety of eggs and dishes with rice. They used to make sweets like sandesh and rasgulla. Okay. So, these are the dishes, these are the sweets and these are the dishes that made in Kolkata. Okay. Now, next page we have finished the chapter. What we have learned? Food we eat. We eat different types of food and because we live in different places like Karnataka, Kerala, Jharkhand and Goa. So, we live in different places and that's why we eat different types of food. Okay. Now, we are going to do exercise work. Page number 45. In page number 45, you can see exercise work. So, take the correct option. Clove refers to clove means masala. Okay. So, clove refers to an spice. Clove refers to an spice. The state where upmas are eaten is Kerala. So, space that upma is eaten. Upma कहाँ खाते हैं? कहाँ use होता है? केरला में. A green leafy vegetables eaten in Kashmir is hak. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Green leaf vegetables को कश्मीर में क्या बोला जाता है? हक. Now, a sweet dish prepared on Eid. In Eid, Muslim used to prepare sevaiyan. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. In village, many people use dash as fuel to cook food. So, cow dung food. Cow dung cakes. Okay. Now, different food items represent the lifestyle of different culture. Lifestyle. Dash is the staple food. Dash is the staple food of people in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So, wheat. Wheat is the staple food. Dash is celebrated with gujia, kanji, thandai and different types of chaat. So, Holi. In Holi, we make thandai, chaats. Okay. In next page, name the following. So, this is your homework. you have to do by yourself exercise C and exercise A. In exercise A, you can see this. Identify the food items with the help of the pictures and hints given below. So there are some hints. This famous dish of South India is made by fermenting rice and dal. So you have to reorganize the pictures. आपको pictures देखकर उसका नाम लिखना है. Okay, name. You can write the name. We have finished the chapter. Exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. Do in your copy. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.